Well, this was the first day on the road with the outfit, so off down the road to do a job I hadn't even contemplated before, which was clean out some hay out of a container. There were more than a couple of big 600 kilo square bales in there, and it was a little bit big job to do by hand. So took down the excavator and had no idea how I was going to go about it, but it all seemed to work out. The camera lady seemed to push the button at the wrong time for sometimes, and when she pushed the button for on, it switched the camera off, and when she switched it off, it switched it on. Hence, very short clips and really not a lot of context, but I guess you get the idea of what we had to do. But it was a big learning experience for the day, and for up around about 40 degrees we didn't do a bad job. So from the lounge room to the feed room, to the heater. Well, I managed to get it cleaned out and a little bit respectable, and then reloaded the container with a round bale of loosern hay. Horses are pretty picky, didn't like the other stuff, so apparently they're on the loosern now. Overall, a big learning exercise all the way around. They say you learn something new every day, or you should. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll catch up to you next time with the next exciting adventure with us horsing about. All the best, stay healthy and wealthy. Bye.